Look at these videos. These DIY pebble art videos are going viral across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. They look incredibly simple, just pebbles, a few basic materials, and a satisfying DIY process. But despite that simplicity, some of these videos are pulling in millions of views. And there's a reason for that. Once the process starts, your brain naturally wants to see what the final artwork is going to look like. And that curiosity keeps you watching all the way to the end. But here's the interesting part. You don't actually need to make these crafts yourself. With the right workflow, you can generate the entire DIY pebble art process using free AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how, from generating unique pebble art ideas to building the complete DIY process and finally turning everything into a polished, satisfying video ready for Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. And to make things even easier, I'll also give you the exact master prompt I created for this workflow near the end of the video, so you can start creating your own videos right away. Let's get started. To get started, you only need one master prompt. I've already built the entire workflow into it, so simply copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit enter. Within a few moments, ChatGPT will generate 10 fresh DIY pebble art ideas, each designed to work as a satisfying short-form video. Go through the ideas and choose the one you like. For this example, I'll select this one. Simply copy the entire idea and paste it back into ChatGPT. That's it. ChatGPT will now turn that idea into a fully detailed video generation prompt, including the pebble placement, materials, hand movements, crafting process, camera setup, and final artwork. Once the prompt is ready, copy it and open Google Flow. Create a new project, select video, choose the vertical aspect ratio, set the duration to 10 seconds, and select Omni Flash as the video model. Now paste the prompt and click Generate. While our first video is rendering, let's create a few more. Go back to ChatGPT, scroll up, choose another pebble art idea, and paste it into the prompt. ChatGPT will instantly create another complete video prompt. Copy that prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and generate again. You can repeat this process with as many ideas as you want. Since the free version currently gives us 50 credits, I'll generate 3 examples for this tutorial. Now, let's check the results. And as you can see, these are exactly the kind of videos we were looking for. The pebble artwork develops step by step, the crafting process remains the main focus, and each video ends with a satisfying final reveal. And that's what makes this format so interesting. This simple idea, prompt, video workflow can be repeated across completely different pebble art concepts without manually planning every scene from scratch. And videos built around this satisfying DIY format are already attracting huge audiences across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So with one master prompt and a free AI video tool, you now have a complete workflow for creating your own DIY pebble art videos.